I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and today let's compare the Instax Link printer, which I have right here, to the Instax SQ6. And this is both of these are Fujifilm instant film devices, but there's a couple of big differences between them. So the Link printer is a digital printer. It takes a digital photo from your smartphone and prints it onto Instax mini film. It's about a credit card size piece of film. And so this can work with existing photos you have on your smartphone or new photos you take on your smartphone. You can add effects, you can add frames, and that kind of thing. The Instax SQ6, on the other hand, is a traditional camera. You're going to take a photo just like you would with any camera, looking through. It's got a lens, and it's going to print onto, in this case, an Instax square format of film. So the biggest difference, again, digital prints from your smartphone, existing photos, you can do effects. Traditional camera with the SQ6, you can just take the photo and then print it. It prints straight out of the camera as soon as you take it. And then again, the other big difference is the film. So the Link printer mini film, credit card size, the SQ6, it's a little bit bigger and it's square. So it's that square format of film that we often think of as sort of the classic instant film. Now, it really depends on what you like in terms of which one to choose. I think the Link printer is great if you already have photos and you want to print them out, or you want to take little wallet-sized photos to give to somebody or as an item to keep in your wallet. The SQ6 is great if you want that traditional camera experience where you're taking the photo. It's all analog in terms of the image itself, and it prints straight out of the camera. If you don't need those filters and things, then this is definitely a great option with the SQ6.